When buying a home in Phoenix, one of the most important steps is the appraisal. But why do we need an appraisal and who pays for it? I'm going to break this down for you next. So an appraiser is a licensed professional who determines the market value of a home. Lenders will require an appraisal to make sure the loan amount matches the home's value. This protects the lender and it protects you as the buyer so you don't overpay on your new home. Here's what they take into consideration: the home size, condition, location, and recent sales of similar homes nearby. After evaluating all those items, it will provide us with an official report that shows the home's fair market value. Think of it as a roadmap to a safe and informed purchase. For buyers, the appraisal is more than a lender requirement. It gives you a peace of mind. It ensures the price you're paying is fair, and if the appraisal comes in lower than the offer, it gives you the ability to renegotiate or walk away. Typically, the buyer will pay the appraisal fee as it is part of your closing costs. Sometimes buyers or sellers can negotiate this differently, but for the most part, it is the buyer's responsibility. So as a home buyer, an appraisal is your tool for making a smart, confident purchase. It protects your investment and helps you ensure that you are paying a fair price. So if you're buying a home in Phoenix and you want guidance through the appraisal process or the entire buying process, please reach out to me. I am here to help you in every step of the way possible. My name is Justin Reiss, and you can reach me at 480-628-9692. Call or text me anytime. I am always happy to help.